Welcome to Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ARC Raiders Gamepad not working issue on PC. First, start with the basics. Disconnect your controller from the PC. If it is wireless, turn it off and remove the batteries if possible. Wait a few seconds, then reconnect it. If you are using a cable, try a different USB port on your computer. Make sure you plug the controller directly into the PC and avoid using USB hubs. Next, check your Steam controller settings. Open Steam and go to the top left corner to open Settings. From there, select the Controller tab. Click on General Controller Settings. Make sure all controller options are enabled, including Xbox, PlayStation, and generic controller support. After enabling these options, restart Steam and launch ARC Raiders again. If you are using a PlayStation controller like PS4 or PS5, you may need extra software. Download and install DS4 Windows. This tool makes your PlayStation controller act like an Xbox controller, which many PC games support better. After installing DS4 Windows, connect your controller and make sure it is detected inside the app. Keep DS4 Windows running while you start the game. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game once more. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the controller detection issue and let you play ARC Raiders with your gamepad. Thanks for watching.